Good morning from a very sunny and warm start to an Alaskan morning. I made it to Anchorage eventually, and it's going to be a great day today. This is day one on my adventure. Hope you'll join me on it. Float plane is coming up very, very shortly. Stay tuned. So this morning we took a 45-minute seaplane journey from Anchorage to Crystal Lake and Lake Clark National Park. Now, within 5 minutes getting here, awesome experience. 5 bears we've seen so far this morning. We're away for lunch and then away bear viewing again this afternoon. But on the way here on the float plane, very exciting, very exhilarating. You fly between the volcanoes, mountains, national parks, lakes. It's just a breathtaking experience. Highly recommended. Definitely in the top 10 things to do while visiting Anchorage, that's for sure. Good morning, it's day 2 of the Alaskan adventure and we're on the Kenai Fjords cruise to Fox Island for dinner later on as well. So it's going to be a magical day and hope you'll follow me on day number 2. What can I say is close to a glacier as you're never going to get on this Kenai Fjords tour. It's been an absolute amazing day, gotta tell you, and that just is the highlight of the whole trip for me. I've seen humpbacks today, orca whales, black bears, the whole thing's happened today, but that is the very reason for coming. Welcome to the Alaskan Glacier in Alaska. That's about as close as you're going to get to a glacier. We're about 60 feet away from the actual floor base of it. It's just stuff dreams are made of. Just made my day today seeing that. We've also seen some humpback whales today, orca whales, the black bears, lots of jellyfish, salmon, the whole shebang today, and this has just topped it off. And we're not even finished yet. It's only 3 o'clock in the afternoon, so more to come. So the day is coming to an end very quickly. It's been an absolute fabulous day today. The Kenai Fjords tour is definitely something I would recommend doing. It ends with dinner on Fox Island behind me, which is just stunning. It's a wilderness lodge that you can actually come and stay overnight in if you want to. It's very remote. It's only accessible by boat, but very, very surreal experience, gotta say. If you want to get back to nature, this is probably the place to do it. 2.5 hours from Anchorage gets you to Seward in the first place to pick up all the boat trips to go around the fjords, and then you're on the island if you want to stay the night and then go back tomorrow. Good idea, I suppose. If you're into wildlife, nature at its best, this is probably the experience for you. Good morning, it's day 3 and we're on the Alaska Railroad. This is the Gold Star service to Talkeetna Alaskan Lodge, so we're there in about 3 hours. We're on the double-decker train with the dining car downstairs and the outside viewing platform. The scenery is going to be stunning today. I'm looking forward to it immensely, and we'll speak to you later on. Take care. Good morning, and day 4 continues today. We're travelling from Talkeetna Alaskan Lodge in Talkeetna off to Denali Cabins inside the Denali National Park. We're using this motor coach which goes twice a day into the park. It takes about 3 hours to get there, so we're looking forward to the journey. It's going to be eventful and very useful for wildlife watching on the way in through the park as well. So I'll keep you posted and put up any photos that I get of any moose or any bears, and as much as I can do. So welcome to Denali Cabins. This is where you get your own little log cabin in the middle of the forest, and it's got all the home comforts in here. So there's 2 double beds, so easy sleep 4. Coffee machine, view of the wilderness, and quite a modern shower room as well. Well, a very good morning. It's 5 a.m. and this is day number 5. So we're off into the heart of Denali National Park today. It's an early start because it's a 13-hour day trip today. So this is going to be exciting. Lots of wildlife we're hoping to catch. Hopefully things we haven't seen, and maybe some more bears and some more moose and all the rest of it. So going to be a good day, and I'll catch up with you later. Good morning. So yesterday didn't disappoint. It was incredible seeing all that wildlife. Didn't expect to see as much as I did. It's a shame the weather wasn't as kind to us as it has been all week, but it was still a great day. Today I'm off back to Anchorage on the Alaska Railroads. Good morning. So the Alaska experience has come to an end. I'm off today, and it's been an absolute blast. Enjoyed all the wildlife, enjoyed the scenery, enjoyed the people. They've been really nice too. Just an unforgettable experience, and I can't wait to get back and tell everybody all about it.